Hi, Brett Millette with Industrial Powersource, Santa Fe Springs, California, here to give you some basic battery information about a battery, industrial battery, the ins and the outs of them. Basically, batteries are made up of a configuration of cells. This particular battery is a 24-volt battery. We know that because it has 12 cells in the battery. Each cell produces 2 volts. 2 volts times 12 is 24 volts. It's a 24-volt battery. Regardless of the manufacturer of the battery, cell number 1 is always where the positive cable connects. This is a positive cable is always red. And the last cell of the battery, cell number 12 in this case, is where the negative cable connects, and the negative cable is always black. On the top of the battery, you have watering. The cell requires water and maintenance, so you have different kinds of fillers. You have a flip top cap that flips open. You have quarter turn caps that have vent holes in to let the battery gas, and then you have an injector for a single point watering system, different ways to water and maintenance the battery. This plastic cover that covers the inner cell connector is called a shroud. The lead bar underneath the shroud is an inner cell connector. So as you see, this is, as I stated, this is cell number 1. If we follow the shroud over to cell number 2, follow this shroud to 3, you can see it's like Legos. It's a path going to leading all the way to cell 12, which means that in this case, this is a 24-volt battery again. This particular battery has 2-aught cable on it. The higher the number, 1-aught, 2-aught, 3-aught, 4-aught, the higher the number, the thicker the cable, the more copper that's inside the cable. On the end of it is a connector. It's called an SB350 gray connector. It's connected. It's actually on charge right now, and during the charge phase, we never want to disconnect the battery while it's being charged until you push the stop button on any charger. Other features that this particular battery has is a blinky light or a water electrolyte level light. This kind of is a probe that goes down into the cell that when it stops flashing green indicates that this battery and this cell in particular needs electrolyte. You want the blinky light or the water indicator to be located in the center of the battery, as the center of the battery works harder than the outside of the battery, and that's where we want to locate the watering probe. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.